In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your AI usage data in ClickUp. So if you want to see a breakdown of all the credits you have used and all the usage data on AI in ClickUp, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon up here and then choose settings option. Now from settings, go ahead and click on AI usage on this sidebar menu, and you can see here it is. Now from here, you can see your AI usage credits here. For instance, I have 500 credits and I'm yet to use any. And down here, you'll also be able to see usage breakdown, and among the data available is AI card usage, AI fields, AI tasks, unthird agent, custom agent, as well as image generation. So that's how you can find your AI usage data in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.